Oh yeah, this is a trick that I made up. It's called the 360 turntable, or backside 360 turntable. And what you do is you stand at the nose of the board. So if you're a regular, stand like this. And then what you do is you pop up the tail, take a step, and then jump. And then as you jump, you're going to let go, like right here. So you can land on it. So this is what it looks like. And it's a fun and easy trick. You can do it to get off of stuff, but just practice a lot. And what you're going to do is while you're learning this, while you're taking your final step and you're jumping, you're just going to want to drop the board and you're going to jump on. And you can't ride this way. So this is what you're going to do. There we go. But instead of just doing that, really romp on your arm to make it go straight. So just do that. And a tip with that is grab the upper portion of the board, and while you're flicking, incorporate your wrist into that. So it's like a frisbee toss almost, but you might throw the board like that. So just be careful with that, and thanks for watching.